Who beckons? Still, a calm pervades all life, through millenniums of strife. Despite the darkness, one is near. His counsel, do not ever fear, for I am there behind the screen. I am here now, have always been. Fight, disciple, seek the new, for it is I who beckons you.